this is artist RamyaSadasivam. This is portrait drawing tutorial. This is suitable for anyone above age 15 and all adults. If you are a beginner, don't worry. It teaches you everything from scratch. It will train you on how to study a character from photo. Also, it will coach you on how to do a portrait study of a model from real life and recreate it on paper. It will guide you on how to preserve a drawing after you complete it. The specialty of the course is I am teaching you my technique that I have learned through 12 years of practice. With this technique, you will find less flaws in your portrait. You will become more confident about your portrait study, about your visual measurement, about your analysis of the features and placement of features. The USP of the course is that I've added 15 portrait drawing demos of celebrities from photo and 10 live sketching with models posing for me. This course is 16 hours of teaching and about 20 hours of demo, which makes the course 36 hours of video content. These are pre-recorded videos, all close-up shots, so you can learn it anytime and anywhere you want. You can learn it in your spare time, you can learn it on the go, you can watch it in your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. It is a one-time purchase, then the course is yours forever. In case of doubt, you can repeat the lessons or you can contact me and I will call you to clarify your doubt. You can finish the course and redo the course any number of times you want. Once after you finish this basic course, you can either choose to do my full figure drawing course or you can jump to oil painting. My portrait drawing course will help you improve your portrait study skills several times. It is only an one-time investment and one-time purchase. If you would like to purchase the course, please click on the link in the description section. You can purchase my course on that page. As soon as you purchase, you will be enrolled in the course and you can start learning immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.